first section is phonics. Let's read the directions. Circle the word in each row that has the same vowel sound as the first word. So we're going to be looking at each of these lines. Then I need to look at the first word and also circle the other words that have the same vowel sound. Not the same beginning sound, not the same ending sound, but the vowel in the middle. What's it saying? So the first one is stem. Let's chop that. St, m. So I'm listening for my vowel. Clean, fern, less. Let's chop those. K, l, in, f, n, l, s. Circle the one that is the same as stem. Number 2, time. Chop it. T, I, m. Spin, fit, bike. Let's chop those. Sp, in, f, it, b, ike. Which one is the same as time? Number 3, boat. Chop it. B, oat. Joke, fog, foul. Let's chop those. J, oak. F, og. F, owl. And number 4, cube. Let's chop it. K, u-b. Oh, I'm sorry. That's hug. Loud, cute. Let's chop those. H, ug. Loud. Cute. Circle the one that's the same as cube. All right, our next section is grammar. Sort each word into the correct group. Now, a lot of us start to get lazy and just draw lines to which one they think it goes in. No, no, no. I want you to rewrite the words in the shell. So you're going to actually have to look at the words and then write them down. Don't be lazy. First one is pencil. Is pencil singular or plural? Now remember, singular means it's only one of them. Plural means there's more than one, and there's usually an S at the end. So let's look. Pencil, is that one or more than one? Boxes, books, feet, rose, mouse. Now be very careful because not all the time my plurals don't have an S at the end. Sometimes they do, but sometimes they don't. So you're going to have to use your brain to think, is that more than one? Like this one, feet. Does feet mean I have 1 feet? Or does that mean I have 2 feet? One, more than one. Next one, vocabulary. Write a sentence for each meaning of bark. So our word is bark. See how it's bolded? The first one's a picture for you. That is a different kind of bark. Write me a sentence or a meaning telling me what that kind of bark is. And then the next one is the bark on a tree. I want you to write me a sentence about what that bark means. All right, next section is reading informational text. Read the passage, which means it's a story. Then answer the questions. Our passage is called Black Bears. There's a picture for you. Now let's read black bears. Black bears are large bears. They live in the forests of North America. Black bears sleep through the winter. They can swim. They can climb trees. They can also smell things from far away. Black bears eat fruit, nuts, leaves, and honey. They also eat ants and small animals. Okay, here is our question. What do black bears eat? Parts of the passage that help you answer the question. So the first thing you need to do is pick up your pencil, and then I want you to underline where we find this question. What do black bears eat? And I know I just read it. It's right here. Black bears eat. Underline that whole sentence, please. Then you need to take your pencil and write down those words. Tell me the 4 things that black bears eat on the line. Last one is conventions. Rewrite each sentence. Capitalize correctly and fix spelling and punctuation mistakes. So you're going to have to write the sentence again. Don't be lazy. Write the sentence correctly on the line. Number 1 says, the last day of school will be on Tuesday, June 10th. So I see 1, 2, 2. Two words that need to be capitalized. I see one word that is spelled incorrectly. Oh, I do see 3. I see 3 words that need to be capitalized. One word that's spelled incorrectly, and then, let's see, I see 2 punctuation mistakes. Number 2 says, Kylie, Matt, and Rose are on the swim team. I see 3 words that need to be capitalized, and I see 1, 2, 3 punctuation mistakes. Remember, whenever I list 2 or 3 things, like Kylie, Matt, and Rose, I need commas in between those to separate them. Make sure you're rewriting the sentence correctly.